Max, you're gonna ruin it.
He goes, no, he pulled his stem off. Get it, Maxie.
Let me see.
Here you go, Max. Get it. Get the apple. Apple. It's feeling sticky now, isn't it? Oh. No.
No. Put it on your apple.
Get your apple.
There, yeah.
Now push it on the tree.
Right there.
Can you push? Push. Push. Put the apple. Right here. Apple. Push.
There.
Push it down.
Like that.
There you go. Good job, Mom. One more or no? You want to do one more apple? Oh, you forgot to. Oh, good job. You want to put it in the glue? Here, one more. Put the apple on the glue. Look at the glue. Is this too much for you, Max? Should we stop? I'll just leave it right there.